Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add more than 8 people in your household in The Sims. So you gotta make sure you've downloaded the MCC mod for this and just put it in your file. Then you're going to open up your computer, so add in a computer in your Sims, and then you're going to go to MC Command Center. Open up MCC settings here, go to gameplay settings, and then go to maximum household size. So the maximum is 8, well, for The Sims, but for this mod, the maximum value is 104. So maybe 100. It's like okay. And then you can start adding characters, but you need to restart the game for the setting to change effect. You can add household, like add people to your household, sorry. You can have like 100 babies, well 99 I guess including you, but that is it for this video. That I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.